Walang amoy. Mabango, mabango. Parang bagong shampoo siya. So, again, kanino kayang hair ito? Charot. Hi guys! Welcome to today's video and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is LeighOnStyle. So, hello po and good morning mga ka-beauties. Good afternoon kung saan man sulok kayo ng mundo. So, welcome to the world of extension 1.1. Ayan. The last time I tried the tape extension, if you see. But this time, this company sent me different kind of hair extension. So, actually me, nakikita nyo naman, I really have a long hair. So, it's long, it's not that thick, but I think para sa iba this is thick enough, but me kasi I preferred volume hair. So gusto ko yung volume thick, yung talagang once na I curl it I can see the volume, because my hair, even I curl it, I don't get the volume that I want. So sometimes tinatamad na ako mag-curl kasi hindi ko naman na-achieve yung talagang curl na gusto ko. So I just let it be like that, straight, you know, no volume. Parang sa akin kasi that, but parang ganun talaga eh. Sometimes pag straight lang yung buhok mo, gusto mo i-curl. Iba naman pag curl, gusto magpaunat. So, ganun talaga. So, that's the reality. You always wanting to have what we don't have. Ganun talaga ang buhay. So, anyway, I'll show you this company sent to me. So, this is the box. I don't know how to pronounce their brand name, so Oreola. That if you know how to pronounce it, comment down below. I don't know how to, but this company sent me this hair extension. So let's open the box. You can get their products at Amazon, so I will put their link on my description box so you can check them out. So here is the product. Ang cute, no? They have like a mini bag for the extension, and it's include, oh, I like this hair clip. This is really nice, but it's only one, so I can use that. And comb, I like that, but I have mine already. I prefer to use this kind, but it's nice that they have, you know, free, just in case you don't have that. At least you have already one that you can use right away. And of course the clips, I really don't know how to use this, but we will try again my best. So this is the hair clips or extension clip, and of course their card. I don't know what's inside. There's like, you know, about them and the return policy. If you want to return it, just in case you're not happy about it. Cute. So that's the box. There's nothing too special about the box, but at least it's a decent box when you receive it. It's not squished, and it's still perfect shape. Okay, so let's go to the hair extension. This is cute though, the packaging. It's like a pouch. All right, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, so they have a card about this. Actually it's just their like contact number and their Instagram, their email, and the WhatsApp, and a chance to win in the lottery. Oh wow, maybe we should try that. Okay, so this is the hair extension. Actually it's not really matches my hair. This is the color, the darkest brown. So I always get the darkest brown because I think it blends my hair pretty well. I don't have really dark hair. If you can see when it's in the light, it's kind of like brownish too, but it's on the dark side. So here is the hair. So the length of this hair extension is 20 inches, and this extension is made of 100% Remy human hair. So this is really good because it's kind of like your own hair that you can curl, you can wash, you can straighten it out, you can dye, and you can blow dry it. It's good. It's in a net, so probably to prevent damage. So this is the hair. It's very soft because it's made of 100% human hair. Okay, so let's remove the tie. And they call this a halo hair extension, so probably you have to put it like a halo type. So this is how it looks. Oh wow, this is very easy, I guess, because it's just gonna be a one application. So this is the hair extension. You see there's a clip in there, So I think this clip is an extra clip, just in case you wanna put extra clip, or if you're missing a clip, so like that. So all I have to do is to stitch the clip like this. Oh wow. So ayan. So as you can see, this is kind of lighter for a darker brown, I guess. But anyway, walang amoy. Mabango, mabango. Parang bagong shampoo siya. So again, kanino kayang hair ito? Charot. So I'm so excited to try this out. So let's see how it's gonna look like on me. So ayan. So suklayin natin muna ang hair. Ayan. Actually, you can curl this already. While you can just put it in a hanger or clip it and then curl it before you put it on. Or you can do other way. It's your own preference. So ayan. Super lambot. Parang malambot pa siya sa hair ko. Oh my god. Let's comb my hair first. So actually, my hair is getting thin na. Not like before when I was on my 20s. Mas thick yung aking hair. But since I experienced hair fall, medyo numipis siya. But still, you know, I try to maintain it. So maybe because it's halo, I will have to put it like that. So okay, let's section our hair. All right. So as you can see, I section it like that. You can see that. It's not really perfect, but because it's halo, so the string will goes to here, and then I'll clip it here. So let's put this in. So, oh wow. So, ayan guys. Ayan. So, mas fuller na yung aking hair. Ayan, parang ang kapal-kapal. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag ang kapal ng buhok. You know? So, ayan. So, ang ganda. Ayan. Now, I achieve a fuller, thicker hair. So, hindi naman porke naka-extension, kailangan yung sa maiksing buhok lang. Hair extensions also allow you to achieve the fullness, the volume that you want to your hair. I like this. It's very easy to put on. There's no glue, there's no tape. You don't have to sew it. And if you want to curl it, you can curl it. You can put any style you want. This is what I want. Thickness and volume. And I like this extension because it doesn't stay to your hair. You can remove it. You can use it anytime you want to. And you don't have to slip on it. This is washable, reusable, and very stylish. So I will curl a little bit to show you a little bit style. So, ayan guys. O, diba? Volume kung volume ang labanan. So, now I achieved the volume that I want using this Halo Hair Extension. Ayan. I hope na you like it guys, and you can style it in a different ways, whatever style you want with this hair extension. It's very easy to use. You can just put it on whenever you feel you want to use it. You can store it. It's very reusable. Just treat it like your own hair. It's really nice. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. And for the Oreola company, thank you so much for sending me this hair extension. I'm so happy the way it turns out and the way it looks. I really like it. I love it actually. I think looks good on me. All right, so I will put the description down below on my description box, so you can check their website if you want to avail this hair extension. And of course, the link of the hair extension that I used today, I will put that too. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!